Today we're going to be reviewing the 1938 Red Ryder air gun. Alright, so what we're looking at is the 1938 model ARR airsoft metal pellet air gun rifle. So we have a few different features of this gun. We have this right here. We have a pellet inserter. You can just, what I like to roll up a piece of paper and I put the pellets in, open up, insert, goes down the barrel. Here we have the lever, which you use. In this case it's already reloaded, but you pull it, and I'll show it off in a second. Trigger, the iron sight. Very well made wood, being pretty, and very heavy. Another important feature, safety. So overall, a pretty good gun. Very reliable, very powerful, and for its price, it really can't be beat. I would really recommend it. It's just fun. It's a fun gun, and catch you next time.